In this video, you'll learn how to fund your MetaMask wallet directly from Binance. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer cryptocurrency from your Binance account to your MetaMask wallet, allowing you to manage your assets more efficiently. Begin by opening the MetaMask application on your device. If you have not already done so, unlock your wallet using your password or biometric authentication. Once you're in your wallet, ensure that you select the correct network. This could be either the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, depending on your preference for funding. Next, locate your wallet address, which is typically displayed at the top of the application. Carefully copy this address, ensuring it is accurate and matches the network selected. It is crucial to avoid copying addresses from the wrong account, as this could result in the loss of funds. Having your address ready is essential for the next step. Now, navigate to the Binance platform, log into your account, and once you're inside, look for the wallet section. Click on Withdraw to begin the process of sending cryptocurrency. You will be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Choose the appropriate option from the list provided. After selecting the cryptocurrency, paste the MetaMask wallet address you copied earlier into the designated field. It is important to double check that the address is correct and that you have selected the matching blockchain network for the withdrawal amount, being mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and potential fees associated with the transaction. Before you finalize the process, take a moment to review the withdrawal fees displayed on the screen. Once you are satisfied with all the details, confirm the withdrawal. After initiating the withdrawal, you will need to monitor the transaction status. You can do this by checking the Blockchain Explorer for the cryptocurrency you sent. Wait patiently for the required number of confirmations to complete the transaction. Once you believe enough time has passed, return to your MetaMask wallet and refresh the interface to update your balance. This action will allow you to see the newly funded amount reflected in your wallet. Additionally, it is useful to save the transaction hash for your records. In the event that your funds do not appear after a reasonable waiting period, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. It is advisable to avoid retrying the transaction prematurely, as this may complicate the process further. By following these steps, you've successfully funded your MetaMask wallet from Binance. This process allows you to manage your cryptocurrency assets more effectively. Always ensure that you keep track of your transaction statuses and address details to prevent errors in future transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.